The afterlife. Not quite what I was expecting. I mean, I thought I would be getting some angelic action. Damn. But I died doing what I love doing. I would do it over and over again. Breaking the record of the longest round. Damn. That's some achievement, but at least I feel good knowing that my variant somewhere in the multiverse. One. Wait, there is a multiverse, right? Yeah, you don't wanna give out any information, whatever, okay? Please. I mean, I thought the afterlife would be awesome, you know? I feel like it's not awesome, but I miss being human. I miss the girls, I miss the clubbing, I miss the regular or occasional STD tests. You know? I miss my friends, I miss my family. And when I come close, I think it's some sort of a sign or something. Oh. But if it's any consolation, the side of the powers are actually cool. Yeah, I know you're looking at me like that. I tried to ruin my ex's marriage. But she told me it was only me. And yes, I know I had a numerous of girls, but come on. She lied to me. I know lies to me. And expect me to have all this and keep calm. No one lies to me and expects me to keep calm.